Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to fix a broken eyeshadow palette without using any rubbing alcohol or any liquid. First you need to set all the broken pieces in the pan and use a smooth surface in order to make it into a fine powder, and set all the powder inside the pan itself. You can use a small brush or you can use a lip liner edge as well because it's going to be very smooth. Once you're done with making it into a fine powder, you can set the powder inside the pan using your fingers and set it. And then take a small tissue and start tapping it again with the same edge and then set it with your fingers. And once you're done, you can close the lid and test if it is falling out. Just to double ensure that there is no cakey powder or any fallout, flip the palette the other side and check if there is any fallout once you open the palette. And I hope this video will be helpful for you all to fix the broken eyeshadow palettes or any loose powder containers. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please do wait for the future videos, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.